Slingshot is a whole new way for video teams to work smarter, not harder. This time-saving transcoder and automation engine comes included with every Evo shared storage solution for media professionals. It's like having an extra set of hands on your post-production team. With Slingshot, you can schedule automations to run effortlessly in the background, like syncing media across your network, file transfers, automated cloud backups, disaster recovery, and even generating edit-ready proxies, all automatically, leaving your creative team to stay focused on more creative work. Let me explain. Before Slingshot, you probably had to back up your media manually, every night, every weekend, or whenever you remembered. With Slingshot, you can schedule backups for select files or entire shares, from Evo to other network, local, or cloud storage destinations like Amazon S3, Dropbox, Microsoft Azure, Wasabi, Backblaze, Google Cloud Platform, and Evo Cloud. Now, your backups will run whenever you want, and it'll all be done automatically, so you'll never forget to back up your files again. But that's not all. Slingshot can transfer, sync, backup, replicate, and even transcode your media. As Evo's built-in transcoder, Slingshot can take your high-resolution footage, like BRAW, RedRAW, ARRIRAW, and tons of other file formats, and transcode that into multiple proxy formats, including Apple-certified ProRes proxies and H.264 proxies, for you to use in your offline and remote editing workflow, or to preview your media faster in Share Browser, Evo's built-in media asset manager. You can even customize your proxies to include burnt-in timecode and a custom watermark image, all easily managed in Slingshot. Why waste time manually transcoding and backing up your media? Automate your workflow on-prem and in the cloud with Slingshot, so you can create amazing content faster from anywhere.